Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 58 from our intermediate flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if I head back into the program here, now this is going to be our last part that we're covering from the intermediate parts. As you guys can see, we've covered quite a few already. Obviously some of them are double, like these ones, where that's what happens if you create the inner shape larger than the outer shape. But yeah, there's a fair amount of shapes here that we have covered. So now for this last part, if we go to flat parts, go to P58, open this, and then zoom in on the little preview here. Now this is quite a simple shape, especially compared to the one we just covered with the triangle. We can see here we've got three values on the right. We've got A, B, and S, and then same here on the side. So we've got the A, which sets the width of the shape. So if you think of it as just a basic rectangle, we've got B, which sets the height, and then we've got S, which is going to set the chamfering for the top, and also say the top two corners in a 45-degree angle. So let's just set that. I'm going to make the width quite wide, 300. I hope I fit it in that shape. I think I can sort of go a bit better. Let's go about 320. See if we're lucky. And then the height I'm going to make 200. And then the corners I'm going to make about 50. Let's just see what that looks like and leave the name the same. Let's preview it. Now it looks pretty close to our little preview, I think. We're going to go manual quantity 1, say add, and let's see if it fits in our little shape. Oh, that is very close. Let's see if we can make this little shape fit in there. Okay, I think I'm going to zoom in here and then see if we can just fit these shapes a little bit more snugly. I think there's a kind of a threshold of how close things can be for obvious reasons, so you don't overcut. Okay, let's try this now. Go to the bottom, P58, add part. See if we have any luck now. Here we go. I think I'm quite surprised. Okay, plenty of space. Okay, yeah, so that is it on our intermediate mini series. This was unfortunately quite a long series. I would have liked to I like to keep my mini series not as long. The advanced mini series, which we're about to cover, should be quite a bit shorter, I'm hoping, because I think we covered just about all the shapes in the intermediate shape. So once again, these are obviously 3 to 4 shapes or values. Should I say shapes of 3 to 4 values? And then now we're going to be looking at 5 and up. Some of the shapes I think have close to 10 values, so gets quite complicated quite fast. But yeah, otherwise, thanks guys for joining me on this mini series. Until the next mini series, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.